Right, so today I'll be showing you how to see your YouTube subscriber list on mobile, whether it's iPhone or Android or even a tablet. Now, first things first, you'll not be able to do this on either the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio application. Neither of these will show you your YouTube subscriber list. So what we have is a workaround. So simply go to your favorite browser and then go to youtube.com on that favorite browser and make sure you're signed into the YouTube account whose subscribers list you want to check, or the YouTube channel whose subscriber list you want to check. Now, once you're on youtube.com on your favorite browser, go ahead and request the desktop site. Now for this one, I'm using Chrome on my iPhone, so I'll just tap on the Chrome menu and then select request desktop site. It could be slightly different depending on what platform you're on. So basically that's going to open up the YouTube desktop site. Now on the YouTube desktop site, simply go to your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Now it may attempt to open up the YouTube Studio app, but you want to go back there and tap on YouTube Studio again. Now, if you're having this problem where if you tap on that, it keeps taking you to YouTube Studio, then you can mitigate that problem by long pressing on the option for YouTube Studio and then selecting open in new tab. And then let's go to that new tab. And then now you'll have the option to either check out the YouTube Studio app or continue to Studio. So you want to tap on continue to Studio to keep it on the browser. And as you can see, our YouTube Studio is now open in the browser. Now, the YouTube Studio desktop interface actually shows your subscriber list. So you can scroll down and then you'll see your recent subscribers. You can tap on see all, and that's going to open up all your subscribers. Now, it's not the most intuitive way of doing it. It's not very clear. You might have to zoom in and out every now and then and move the interface left and right. But that's basically how to see your YouTube subscribers, okay? So you can actually see the list of your subscribers right there. And you can scroll and check out and move to the next page and whatnot. So that is basically how to see your YouTube subscriber list on the mobile. Thanks for watching and good luck.